A very heartily good evening to everybody. This is Sanjay Kushwa from Time Career Institute of English Language 13th Land इटारसी। तो आज हम डिस्कस करते हैं इटारसी के बारे में। हमारा इटारसी एक भारत में एक ऐसा शहर जिसने एक अपनी अलग ही इमेज बनाई हुई है। तो आइए डिस्कस करते हैं, यदि हमारे यहाँ पर कोई बाहर से विजिटर्स आते हैं घूमने के लिए तो उनको हम क्या बता सकते हैं इटारसी के बारे में, कौन कौन सी जगह हैं जिनके बारे में हम उनको अवगत करा सकते हैं। इटारसी में यदि आप खाने पीने के शौकीन हैं तो इटारसी में कौन कौन सी जगह हैं जहाँ पर आपको खाने पीने की सारी सुविधाएं मिलती हैं। हमारे इटारसी का एजुकेशन सेक्टर कैसा है। तो इन्हीं बातों से रूबरू होने के लिए आइए हम आपको आज मिलाते हैं अपने के स्टूडेंट से, जिसके माध्यम से इन सारी जगहों के बारे में हम सीखते हैं। इटारसी का नाम इटारसी आखिर कैसे पड़ा, इन सारे सवालों का जवाब आपको आज इस वीडियो में मिलने वाला है। So before starting, if you are new in our channel, so please subscribe the channel and press bell icon to get all the notifications instantly. So आइए शुरुआत करते हैं।
Good evening, my respected sir. One and all are present over here. Thank you for giving me this golden chance to present my topic in front of you. I am Samiksha Malviya. I speak a few words about my city. That's Itarsi. It's got its name bricks plus rope. There is a Ita plus Rassi. Ita as bricks and Rassi as rope. Itarsi has it is our biggest railway junction of MP. There are 9 platforms and there are 9 platforms in the station. More than 200 trains leaves here in 24 hours. There are many types of the restaurants in the Itarsi. Vegetarian and non-vegetarian. Okay, so I will speak about the restaurants. My favorite restaurant is Novelty, Real Novelty, and Kishore. Also, there are bigger restaurants just like hotels. Sri Devi Express 11, Sai Krishna Resort. There are the resort in the city, and there are 2 types of the college: government college and private college. Government college is MGM PG college and girls college, and there only in the city only one private college, that is called their name is Vardhaman, and there are Itarsi's MLA name is Mr. Sheeta Sharan Sarma, and Itarsi's president of Nagar Palika name is Pankaj Chaure. There are 2 social parks. Their name is Atal Park and Kamala Nehru Park, and there are only one stadium, that their name its name is Mahatma Gandhi Stadium, and there is a mostly famous chauras just like Chikmanglu Chaurai and Jastam Chowk. There is a famous in the city, and we have many types of religious place. There are like a Buddha Vihar, Bhui Mata Mandir, Catholic Church, and Jama Masjid Itarsi, New Gurudwara. There are a famous religious place in Itarsi. There are 2 types of the schools, in a government school and private school. So government school is municipal and government girls higher secondary school. Private schools Vardhaman Eklavya Government Excellence School, which is situated in Kesla, and Genius Planet, it is situated in Sona Sauri, and there are only another stadium in the Khea, and there are only one in that time there are only one cinema place, that their name is Goldmark. It has 2 screens. Thank you for listening me carefully, and thank